In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can get a refund in your AliExpress account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your AliExpress account like this, go to your AliExpress homepage and click over here and scroll down, click over here on setting like this, and you will be directly in this page like this. As you can see, you should see here overview, orders, payments, refund and return feedback. Scroll down and click over here on help center. Okay, just click on help center and you will be directly again to this page over here. Scroll down and you should see here online service. Click on online service. And here you go. All you have to do is you need to click over here on check refund and choose which product you want to get the refund for. So for example, this product, I want to get a refund from this product. I will click over here on send, and that's it. That's how you can get a refund in your AliExpress account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.